Dear fellow St. John officers, teachers, volunteers, and cadets, I'm Dr. Nelson Chua, Chief Commissioner of St. John Brigade, Singapore. I'm glad to speak with you for the first time since my appointment as Chief Commissioner in October last year. I'm honored to lead the brigade and look forward to meeting all of you in the future when the opportunity arises. In the midst of this sustained COVID-19 pandemic, I hope that you and your loved ones continue to stay safe and healthy. The lives of many are still disrupted by sporadic increases of persons infected with the virus. Singapore has so far managed to control the situation, and everyday routines of work and school have settled into a new normal. As a medical practitioner, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my healthcare colleagues, especially those who have continued to serve in St. John throughout this pandemic. I'm also proud that despite prevailing restrictions, St. John has strived to continue building instructional and operational capabilities and to continue service to humanity. The brigade has continued to innovate to allow more online learning and assessments. We've arranged for a number of our batch programs to be conducted digitally. Cadets can now work towards their Chief Commissioner badge even in the comforts of their own homes. Online learning resources in first aid and home nursing have also been periodically updated to facilitate eCCA sessions and self-learning. I'm heartened to hear that your St. John experience has continued to be managed well with these digital initiatives. St. John also conducted its inaugural home nursing instructor course aimed at uplifting home nursing standards within our corps. In addition to our core first aid instructor and basic drill instructor courses, St. John now has a complete suite of programs to train cadet instructors in our core competencies. We also launched our responder induction course and advanced medical life support course, which equip both St. John volunteers and other ambulance services with greater instructional and operational capabilities. These collective efforts will serve to prepare our members for their future contribution to our community and country. St. John is also keenly aware that many of our cadets aspire to a career in healthcare. In partnership with MOH Holdings, we organized career and scholarship webinars to further expose graduating cadets, young officers, and even alumni to the healthcare industry. St. John is confident that the skills and character cultivated in our cadets offer them a competitive edge in healthcare. We will continue to support the career aspirations of our cadets through such industry partnerships and through the medical and nursing officers who serve within our ranks. St. John volunteers have demonstrated continued commitment to the service of humanity in spite of the pandemic. Recent collaboration among North, Northwest, and Southwest districts, alongside friends from the Choa Chu Kang Youth Network, educated residents in Choa Chu Kang on fall prevention tips, as well as encouraged vaccination. Our volunteers took turns to visit the community club monthly to speak with the residents and also performed house visits. We were supported by Minister Gan Kim Yong, who encouraged St. John to continue its healthcare education and engagement with the residents. In addition, St. John was able to resume some first aid public duties. You have seen our volunteers in action at national and community events such as Christmas Wonderland, Festival of Lights, New Year Countdown, and Chingay. I'm proud to see many St. John volunteers stepping forward, eager to resume serving their community. I would like to highlight in particular the courage of 3 cadets from Dunman High School who were first responders at a train collision. Zoe Teo Jingjing, Jill Lee, and Tan Le Shen not only attended to casualties, but also rendered emotional support to a passerby who was traumatized by the accident. The bravery of these cadets, as well as the unsung acts of kindness undertaken by other members, continues to demonstrate the importance of quality first aid, life support, and home nursing education. I ask you to join me in commending these cadets and any other St. John volunteers who may have helped you in your time of need. St. John will uphold its staunch commitment to our motto, Pro Utilitate Hominum, in the service of humanity, the support of our passionate volunteers and cadets. As we continue to adapt and innovate in our programs, I have no doubt that St. John will remain a relevant partner to schools and to the community. I would like to acknowledge and thank the unwavering support of our school leaders, teachers, and parents. Your contribution ensures that St. John can continue serving our community and our country. To all our St. John volunteers and cadets, thank you for your enthusiasm, courage, and faith as we forge our path ahead together. I wish you a happy and meaningful St. John Day.